welcome back to my channel. This is Dehlia from Dehlia's Place. If this is your first time here, welcome. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also the notification button so that you can get all the notifications of all the videos that we put up here. I am rocking a no braid crochet braid hairstyle. It's a half up, half down hairstyle, and I did not braid my hair for this style. So if you'd like to see exactly how I achieve this style, continue to watch this video. So all I've done so far is divided my hair into two parts. I've made a bun at the top and a bun at the bottom. The hair that I'll be using to achieve my style is the Afro Marley twist in 12 inches. I'll be using my crochet needle. It's so easy to do, guys. Simply insert your crochet needle through the hair like you see I'm doing here. Then you are going to hook your hair onto it and close the latch. Pull through the hair, through your own hair. Then as though you're making a ponytail, simply pull the hair through the loop and tighten. See? It's so easy. Let's do it one more time. Insert your crochet needle. Hook your hair onto the crochet needle. Pull through. Then pull the end of the hair through the loop. And simply tighten. See, it is so very easy, guys. Nothing too serious. This is one pack so far. So I'm just covering up the ponytail at the top. So you just continue around the ponytail until you have your desired look. I think this might be enough. Yeah, I think that this might be enough. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to untwist the twist. Because personally I really don't like the twist, but I like the effect of the twist. So I'm going to untwist each one right around my head. I really am loving it already. Doing the same thing to the top as well. So what I do is, since I don't want so much hair on the top, once I have finished twisting it, I use some of them to make sure that the bun I had at the top doesn't show. I'm finished. And all this took me about half an hour, give or take a few, and it's a quick, simple, easy style. So guys, thank you so much for watching. This is where I end this video. If you like this video, please hit that like, share and subscribe button. Remember that when you subscribe, you have to click the bell so that you can get notification for new videos. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye.